Even have my mum helping me as well. But yeah, there's a lot of different items in here. These toys. So let's see where we can find the product. What's poppin', people? It's your boy Gaddy. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. We're still in lockdown. Boris Johnson is violating it, but it is what it is, fam. We can't do anything about that. We just have to live with it, and you know, hopefully we'll come out this lockdown very soon. Today's video is about liquidation stock. That's right, liquidation stock. So I decided to buy a pallet from an online website that sells different pallets at different price ranges, from I think like $250 all the way up to like $2,000-3,000. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I had to stay with the low budget one. You know, in life, you know, you gotta test before you try. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to just slap boom £800 on one pallet. You get what I'm saying? So I decided to buy the pallet that cost £260 to make back a return around £800. It sounds easy, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not. Because when you do order the pallets, they will deliver it to your house. And also, when I ordered it, so the pallet cost $170, delivery was £45, plus VAT was another £40. I just looked at it like, whoa, they just added an extra £80 on top, £85. Whoa. But you know, I didn't complain. I was like, you know, let's just try. You know what I'm saying? I like trying new methods to make money. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, when I do make money, I like to reinvest it and, you know, try make more money end of the day. You know what I'm saying? I'm not out here, you know, splashing it on, you know, designer clothing or like anything. You know what I'm saying? We're in lockdown. There's nowhere to go. So I just want to make more money. You know what I'm saying? So I like these little experiments I'm doing by liquidation stocks. You get what I'm saying? Go wholesalers, all of that good stuff to make more money. So the pallet has arrived, and I'm not gonna lie to you, some of the items sold already. Some of the items have sold. I don't know by the top of my head, but a pallet had in total 23 different units. So I did divide it by £260, which is average price of each unit in the pallet was £11, and I've sold a good couple items for like over £20. I'll put some screenshots here of the items that I have sold on eBay. They're flying. I'm not gonna lie to you. Unfortunately, one of the toys wasn't working actually. I don't know how, because I did test them. I made sure the baby walker, I tested it first at home. I put the batteries in, I made sure they work. But I sent it off to the customer, and now customer emailed me yesterday saying, I've tried the baby walker, but it isn't working. And she's telling me, I've tried, you know, I've tried all batteries, you know, I've changed the battery, this, that. So that's kind of weird. But it is what it is for me, guys. That's part of the game. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know, customers, you know, they'll use excuses to get out of it. But, you know, me, I don't mind. Me, I'll just give her a little refund. I get the baby walker back. Next customer. I looked outside. I was like, whoa. It was a big pallet. I like the black cling foil over it. I think probably to protect from rain and all of that. But yeah, it was big. I am not going to lie to you. And plus the pallet didn't fit straight into my house, so I had to unbox it and actually take the toys inside the house one by one. And obviously I have siblings. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I got siblings. My little brother got excited when he saw this one Paw Patrol toy, which I actually got two of, which I'll show you right now. This is a Paw Patrol toy. If you guys got young siblings, you know Paw Patrol fam, they go crazy for it. But yeah, he saw this and he got excited, and he started jumping up like, please can I have it, please can I have it. Plus it was his birthday on the 2nd of Feb, you get what I'm saying? So I might as well, you know, treat the young G, you get what I'm saying? So that's what I did. Yeah, so I did receive two of these in the pallets. These are actually going around £35. I've actually received an offer today for £30 for this toy without box, because the box is right next to me but it's damaged. Let me show you now. Am I fine? As you can see here, the box is damaged. So I just said in the description, listen, if you do buy this toy, you'll get it with no box, but it is used, and you know, people are ready to splash money on it, so I can't complain. So £30 on this, and the average price is around £11, 40p I think. So nice. You know, we're on our way. We're on our way, you know, to make back the money from the pallet. You get what I'm saying? And that's what it's all about. You get to make more money. You get what I'm saying? Alright, cool. I actually got a couple Nerf guns as well, guys. So I'm going to show you some of the Nerf guns. This came in a pallet as well. Which is, I'm not going to lie to you guys. So on here, in this button, you wind it up. You hear that? And then you shoot, fam. I am not going to lie to you guys. Let's test that shit, fam. I'm not going to lie to you guys. My little brother licked me with this on the head. I almost died. Man, this gun shoots so fast, it's unbelievable. Man, did you see that? Did you see how fast that went? Now this gun here, dangerous. But I listed it up for I think £26, like this, with 10 of the little bullets. At the moment I got 2 watches on this, so it's good, it's goody. Let me show you another gun, another Nerf gun. This is the Fortnite one, which is a big boy thing. I'm not gonna lie, this one is very big. But yeah, this is a nice, another one, which was decent, not lie. And then I also received this one, which I am not gonna lie to you guys, I still haven't unboxed or even taken the pictures for it or anything still. I should do it still, I'm not gonna lie to you. I will do it. Out of all the Nerf guns, this was the only Nerf gun that came with this box. So that's a nice one. I'm just gonna show you guys some of the toys, you get what I'm saying, that I have on deck. There's some downstairs, because if I show you all, it's just gonna be very long. Alright, cool. And then also received this scooter, which works perfectly fine, and actually came with, let me show you that. Came with a little bag, came with this seat, so it's like a scooter with a seat. Also came with like knee pads, ankle pads, and also the, you know, the hand pads. And the best thing is, look, it came with his manual guide. I'm not gonna lie to you, it hasn't even been open, which is crazy. But that's how it's supposed to look. It's crazy. You're thinking like people must have opened this, but no. Another item that came as well, I don't know what it is, but you put a battery in, I think it's probably like a puzzle. You put it in, it makes the noise of that character. Which not bad, not bad. And then, ooh, this one I actually think was a very good item that I got. Look at this. This is actually a sick item for babies. It works as well. Look at that. I'm trying to make it work.
The babies love to be rocked to sleep. Hush, little babies, don't you cry.
But yeah, this works. I listed it on eBay for around £37. So hopefully get the money back. But yeah, there's many different toys. Like this one came as well. I am not gonna lie to you, but this one came empty box. I don't know what they're trying to do. They're trying to trick people into buying pallets and give them one item with just this box with nothing in it. crazy. But it is what it is. Then another item is this one. I'm not gonna lie to you, I wasn't sure if it's gonna have all its parts, so me and my little brother, we actually set it up exactly like this to see if, to make sure it has every single, you know, component, all the parts, you get what I'm saying. And yeah, it was long still, it was long to do, I'm not gonna lie to you, but my little brother loved it, fam. Alright, cool. I'm checking if I have some more items here. Oh yeah, and I have this one, which is a real shame. I am not gonna lie to you guys. This is the last item I will be showing. It's a shame. This is a globe. You guys, I'm gonna show you quickly where Somalia is. Yeah. There you go. Somalia obviously is in Africa, obviously, and there you go. Somalia is right next to Ethiopia, Kenya, and it's like a 7, you get what I'm saying? And that's why number 7 is my favorite number, you get what I'm saying? Because in our country, it's like a 7. Come on, that's my number, you get me? If we're playing a football game, I'm wearing 7. You're not wearing that. I'm wearing that. No, but obviously, just joking, obviously, you get what I'm saying? These are some of the items that came in a pallet, which is sick, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely a great way to make money. I'll probably make, you know, I don't know, maybe 50, 60, 70 pound profit. But I think next time maybe I will get the bigger pallet, you get what I'm saying, with more items, you get what I'm saying, the more items obviously, the more profit, you get what I'm saying, simple as that. So maybe I'll stay away from the 171 because it's just that it's only 23 units, you get what I'm saying. So next one I'm trying to spend 600, 6 bills, quick, slap on a pallet, probably get like around 50 different units of items, of toys, and hopefully, you know, be able to flip those as well, you get what I'm saying. With the headsets as well, I had to reorder more headsets. I contacted my supplier, they gave me more headsets, you get what I'm saying. The headsets are flying, I'm making nice profits on those as well, and I don't have to do anything. Once I get a sale, package it, send it over to the customer. Customers are happy, are flipping happy. And bro, listen, these headsets right here, you can see, I'm getting it for £4 a pop. £4 a pop, like, just deep it, like, I'm getting this headset for £4. And how much do you think you can sell that headset for? I'm selling them for 20, 25, 30 sometimes. And listen, pure profit. Actually, a couple of days ago, I was shopping with my wife, and we actually found this Trivia Pursuit Friends for £3. And on Amazon it's selling for, I think, around $9.99, 11, 12ish. I'm not sure, but I knew that the profit I'd be making is £4 something on each one. So they had 4. I managed to pick up, you know, all 4. And you know, it's little quick flips like that, you know, it's not a lot of money, but at the end of the day, I can just add that to my shipment and, you know, make profits. Thank all of you all for, you know, engaging on my YouTube videos and loving it. So you guys been doing your thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, the growth is going unbelievable. I didn't expect it. But guys, listen, I want to thank all of you for, you know, for all the love, you get what I'm saying. And you know, I see a lot of love. You know, I'm gonna just make guys, man, I'm trying to, you know, I want us all to secure the bag, you know what I mean? That's why I'm making this type of content, to help each and one of you guys. This is very simple, like, it's very simple. Buy items in bulk and then just sell it, you get what I'm saying? Retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale, you know what I'm saying? It's a great way to get into. You don't even need to have £100, £200, £300. You can literally start off £40, £50. You know what I'm saying? I want us all to secure the bag. Secure the bag. You guys, listen, if you do like this hoodie, let me know down in the comments, fam. I might have to do a giveaway at 1K, fam. I will literally give away 3 of these hoodies to a lucky winner. You get what I'm saying? If you guys do like it, let me know in the comments, fam. 1K, you know, that's a big achievement, fam. That's not like, obviously, compared to other YouTubers and that's small. But to me, you know, it's very big. You know what I'm saying? Never in a million years would I thought, you know, that I'll be hitting almost 1K. Thank you all, man. I appreciate it so much. Like, you guys don't know how much it means to me, fam. Like, it means a lot. You know what I'm saying? I started all of this during lockdown, and I've been getting so much love and appreciation. No hate. Obviously, there's some haters and that, but you gotta listen. I don't know how people are hating on someone, you know, who's just trying to make money. You know what I'm saying? But I guess, you know, that's part of the game. You get what I'm saying? Any negative comments in the comments down section below, delete straight away. You get what I'm saying? I just delete them straight away. You know, I don't want, you know, the positive energy to go. You get what I'm saying? So I need to make sure them negative comments, delete. If you all do want to see more videos like this, let me know, fam. Literally let me know. I might actually buy big boy pallets and break them down and make a whole video just about pallets and show you, man, how much I can sell them for. If you guys do want to see this, let me know down in the comments section below. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.